Hello everyone, and you're watching Bitcoin Bubble news channel. I'm selling Bitcoin because the trend is changing right now. In this video, I'll show you where the goal is and how to trade this trend change. As we talked about in yesterday's video, the uptrend would end if Bitcoin broke this low. The pump stopped right there. BTC is not moving at the moment. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Then let's see what's going on right now. Retail traders are acting out of fear, uncertainty, and too much trust. What does this mean? Above this H value of 63,482.5, we also have a liquidity level. Link in the description if you want to learn how to trade. You can win up to $100,000 to use as you please. This bonus is not available to you if you. When you sign up, don't use my link or the code Jonas. Instead, go to Google and sign up. Bitcoin was going up in the middle term, but since this low was broken, it's going down as we talked about in yesterday's video. Allow us to get a better look at the difference between market buy and price activity itself. What do we see now? Let's begin here. People who worked in stores were scared. Why does that happen? There were more market sell orders at this point, but the price didn't go below this level. Actions out of fear. After that, stores began to feel anxious about the future. This short-term trend kept going up, but the number of market buy orders went down. There is some uncertainty in the market right now, but retailers are feeling positive. For example, this price was going down, but the number of market buy orders was going up, feeling sure. So stores poked this dip. That's how things stand right now. Where are the goals? We'll talk about those later. But if you win up to $100,000 to trade with, click on the link in the explanation to join Bybit right away. You can't get these bonuses unless you use my link or the invite code Jonas. It's fun to trade. Trading is a lot of fun. What is the amount of liquidity? If we switch to structure, it's easy to see what the liquidity level is. Here, the short-term trend went down and kept going down, but the short-term trend for Bitcoin quickly went up after that. Take a look. If you are both here, it goes up a little, making you feel like you made the right choice. It goes up, oh my god, it goes down, I have to close my position so I don't lose that much. You close it, you see that it's going up again, you start to feel afraid of missing out, you buy here, and then all of a sudden it goes down, you've lost a lot of money, and you start to panic. This means that there is a lot of liquidity above this level. Liquidity in this case means that market makers could open big short positions above this level or sell a lot of Bitcoin above that level. Although liquidity levels don't always get hit, when they do, it's usually a very good sign to short, which is exactly what we should do now that Bitcoin's midterm trend is going down. We know that market makers don't trade as much on weekends, which is now the case. On the other hand, there is a lot more shopping on the weekends. If there are a lot of changes over the weekend, it's usually a sign that market makers will start working on their next big and bad trick on Monday. This amount of liquid 63,482.5 that I talked about is a very important one to keep an eye on. I think that if they keep raising these prices, retailers might start to worry that they will miss out on something good. The store is only open for business right now. There are no market makers. Only one market maker was here, and they were both pumped and a little sold. In contrast, this is how things stand right now. If would my attitude change? This one breaks this high of 64,126.7. If this high is broken, Bitcoin's direction would be sideways. It's not going to work. I would still look for chances to short above here. However, I would no longer aim for that goal in that case. But right now, this low is the next interesting goal, 61,534, long-term trend goal this. This low will still be my opinion until it is broken, if and when it is. I think there will be a short break in this decline after that. We'll check to see if Bitcoin has already made a lower midterm high around this area. If it has, that would be the next important level to keep an eye on, because if it is broken, Bitcoin's midterm trend would turn to the upside again. For now though, this is how things stand. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. See you soon.